subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. First, I'm always going with eye cream. I'm using the Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. Okay, I'm going to start with my eyes today just because I've been doing that lately and I've been really enjoying it. I'm also going to use a little bit of tape just because it helps me out. Makes life a lot easier. My eyes with the Too Faced Insurance Shadow Primer. Then I'm just going to go in with concealer, prime to set the lids, and I'm going to set that with a powder then. Alright, so the eyeshadow palette I'm going to go in with is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. This is one of my favorite palettes. This is perfect for fall. You can definitely get a perfect rose gold look out of this. So the first shade I'm going to go in with is going to be this burnt orange shade, just for our transition and crease. And then the next shade I'm going to go in with is going to be Sienna. And then for the outer corner, I'm gonna go in with Mulberry. I'm going to go back in with that Sienna shade. And then back into that burnt orange just to top off and blend out the edge up here. So now I'm going to do a cut crease with concealer. Alright, so the next color I'm going to go in with is going to be this rose pink color. And then I'm going to go in with this sultry shade and kind of blend the edges to the pink shimmer. And just to amp this up with rose gold, I am going to take this Milani Hypnotic Lights holographic eye topper, and this is in the shade Luster Light, so it's the rose gold one. This is beautiful. Alright, so I did take it a little higher than where we put that concealer, just because I thought it was really pretty to see that glitter when my eyes are open. And I'm just going to blend a little bit more. Alright, so I'm pretty happy with that. I am now going to apply winged eyeliner. Alright guys, so that's pretty much the eyes without the lashes or mascara. I'm going to continue on with the face. I am just going to use a little makeup wipe just to wipe under my eyes. Makeup wipe and make a real sharp line. I'll reapply my eye cream. Should have waited. So again, I'm going to reapply my eye cream because I feel like I wiped it away, and I want nice moisturized under eyes. Just be careful around your liner. For primer, I am going to fill in my pores with the E.L.F. Mattifying Putty Balm. I like this to fill in my pores. And then for the perimeter of my face, I like to go in with like a glowy primer or a hydrating primer. And I'm going to use the MAC Strobe cream. This is a mini one. This is in the pink light. So it's like a nice pinky undertone. So I'm just gonna use this on the outer perimeter. Trying to stay away from my T-zone. Just for foundation, I'm gonna go in with one of my all-time favorites. It's the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. I'm in the shade M3.5 Venuto? I'm not sure. I'm just going to apply this with a beauty blender. I should say beauty sponge because I use a Real Technique sponge. I'm going to go in with the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. I have the shade Nude. It's pretty light, but this will help lighten up the foundation because I know it looks a little yellow and tan on me. I got this during the summer. So this will just help lighten it up. Yeah, I'm also going to go in with a little bit of cream concealer. You can use pretty much anything, like a foundation stick, a concealer that's in a darker shade. I'm going to go in with this Maybelline Fit Me Shine Free and Balanced Foundation Stick. And this is in the shade Coconut. then what I like to do is I like to take my beauty blender and whatever excess I had from the concealer and just kind of go softly over the edges around my forehead so it doesn't look so like muddy. Alright, we're pretty glowy. Now it's time to set the face. Today, to set my face and everything, I am going to use the Fenty Pro Filter setting powder. I love this. This is the mini one. Once I run out of this, I will get the full. I use the shade Butter. Always make sure your creases are gone before you set with powder. Sometimes using your finger, the warmth of your finger works the best. And I'm going to use a brush for this. I love the smell of this too. It reminds me of like a baby doll. So cute. And then the rest I am going to use, press it, kind of bake a little in my T-zone. So I'm just going to put some on my sponge and press it in, especially my forehead lines. That is the worst area for me, increasing. Thank you, genetics. I'm going to just try to set the rest of my face. And I buff a little bit in with my brush just to get some extra setting, as I don't want this to move at all. Alright, looking pretty good here. Next for bronzer, I'm going to go in with my current favorite palette, the Park Avenue Princess Contour Palette, Chisel Palette by Tarte. Freaking love this. Freaking amazing. So I am going to contour and bronze with this, and this helps set the cream contour. So I'm going in with Angle and Carrot, the warmer shades in here, mixing them and bronzing. And I'm going to go in with Princess Cut. It's more of that cool toned matte shade to deepen this contour. And I'm also going to go back in with my setting brush, brighten under my eyes just a little with the Enhanced shade in here. It's like the yellow brightening shade. Love this. Fantastic for brightening the under eyes. Bring it down, try to just brighten the center of my face. For blush, I'm gonna go in with this Tarte Bliss palette. And I'm gonna go with this shade right here called Genuine. So for highlighter, I'm going to go in with Opal by Becca. This is the mini. I still haven't run out. This is kind of like a champagne, but it also kind of has that gold, rose gold vibe. So I'm going to use this. This is one of my all-time favorites. It is so freaking gorgeous, and it does not pick up on my texture at all. And I got a lot of texture going on. Alright, and now I'm going to finish under my eyes, so I'm just going to go back into that palette. Again, I'm going to go from the shades that we started with and ended with. So I'm going to go with Burnt Orange, Sienna, and then Mulberry. And then for my inner highlight, I am actually going to use that Becca highlight that we used, just because I feel like it will kind of bring the look all together. And then for brow bone, I'm just going to take Tempera, this light white shade, just for my brow bone. All right, we are almost there. So now I'm going to quickly do my eyebrows. I just used the Anastasia Dip Brow in Soft Brown, and then I just set them with my Essence Make Me Brow Tinted Brow Gel. So I will do that and I'll be right back. All right guys, so brows are on. Before I put on mascara and lashes, I am going to spray my face. So what I like to do is on the outer perimeters of my face where I want to be glowy and really have that lit within look, I'm going to go in with the iconic London Mist Spray in the original. It's really pretty. It's gonna give that, you know, glowy effect. So I'm gonna do a swish here and a swish there, and then I'm gonna set my whole face with my Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. So shake it up, and then laser beams on the side. Smells so good too. And now I'm gonna set everything with the Urban Decay. Woof. And then the best part is fan time. I got this mini fan for like $10 from Amazon. It's like perfect. There's 2 settings, and what's great about it is you do not have to use batteries. You charge it. I just think fanning setting spray just makes it kind of melt much better, and it's much quicker. You don't have to wait for your setting spray to dry. Let's turn her up. But it will make your eyes water. Alright, now, so I'm just going to put a light coat of mascara, and then I'm going to go in with False Lashes by House of Lashes. Not sure what kind I'm going to go in with. I'm thinking I'm going to go in with the Natalia Lite. These are my favorite. But if these don't give me enough drama, I'm going to go in with the Smoky Muse. So, put on some mascara, some lashes, and then I will be right back. Alright guys, so I did end up going in with the Natalia Lite. These are absolutely stunning, and I love that I can still see my rose gold shimmer through it. So this is a completed look. Eye look. So really pretty, and now I'm just going to finish off the lips with a nude lip. So I'm going to go in with a nude lip liner, Suede Lip Liner by NYX in London. I think I'm going to go in with this Tarte lip paint and Get It. I'm going to go in actually with the color Low Key in Tarte lip paint. So this is the completed look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I really love how the rose gold turned out. I think it's perfect for fall. Definitely obsessed with this Soft Glam palette. It is one of my favorites and my go-to, so get your hands on it if you can. Please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.